Hold the top pipe and turn the lever 180 degrees to the on position, allowing it to drain the water through the pipe and into the bucket. Once drained, remove the top by unscrewing the black handle and removing the clip. This may feel a little stiff due to the pressure inside the unit. Inside the softener you should see a large deposit of what looks like gold sand. At this stage you should add your salt. It's important to use the correct amount of high quality salt in order to ensure you get a good result. The amount of salt you require is dependent on a number of factors, such as your overall water consumption and the hardness of your water. We recommend using at least 1 pint of salt for a 16 litre water softener if you're based in a soft water area. Once the salt is added, replace the top. Turn this until it's stiff. Once the top is stiff, give it a final quarter turn in order to pinch the softener and prevent any pressure from escaping. Hold the top pipe and turn the top lever 180 degrees back to its original position. Next, place the bottom pipe into the bucket and turn the bottom lever valve to the on position. Leave the softener for approximately 40 minutes to an hour to drain. Turn the bottom lever valve 180 degrees to its original position and curl the tubing up by the softener. Your regeneration is complete.